Okay, how many people have loans in the room? Okay. Home loans, how many?
Home loans.
Okay. Car loans? Personal loans? Okay. Education loans?
Speak about credit.
Nobody. Anybody? So loans are good or loans are bad? Are loans good? Are loans bad?
Yeah.
Depends. What kind of loan are we looking at? If it is a housing loan, it's good because it helps you save taxes.
Okay.
Yeah. But car loan, because the money you invested is depreciated fast.
Okay. So he's saying home loan good, it helps you save taxes. Car loan bad because you invest in a depreciating asset. Okay. Any other opinions on loans? Any other opinions?
Loans are good in a way, they help you to
In situation
prepone your purchase
Okay.
of a particular item. And it depends what is the utility you attach to that item. Or you have to wait for the item till the time your money accumulates.
Okay.
So it's more than financial, it is a personal choice, I would say. And depending on your circumstances.
Okay. So what we can do is, rather than mere mortals taking a call on what are good loans and bad loans, let's listen to this very Jnani Baba. Okay, we call him the Bollywood Baba. Okay, so just listen to this Bollywood Baba on the subject of good loans and bad loans.
तो कैसी लगी मेरी गाड़ी?
ये गाड़ी?
हाँ, अभी दी है।
इतनी महंगी गाड़ी चलाएंगे तो शादी के बाद रहेंगे कहाँ? How can you be so irresponsible?
Hey, Shona, chill यार। सारे पैसे अभी थोड़ी देने हैं। थोड़े अभी, थोड़े बाद में। Installments, monthly, 5 साल, chill यार।
Take back the loan, take back your car.
पूरा 1 साल हो गया है, कमाई $1 की नहीं हुई, बैंक बैलेंस ऑलमोस्ट 0, क्रेडिट कार्ड्स कैंसिल कर दिए गए हैं, वी आर लकी फोन्स काम कर रहे हैं, पानी आ रहा है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, वैसे जल्दी इन सब की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
क्यों?
हाउस लोन, इंस्टॉलमेंट्स 6 महीने की।
So big deal. थोड़ा सामान बेच के हम
नहीं बेच सकते, हमारा कुछ है ही नहीं, सब कुछ तो लोन पे या तो क्रेडिट कार्ड पे लिया है। ये फर्नीचर, कारपेट, पर्दे, हमारे कपड़े, तुम्हारे ये सूट, यहाँ तक कि तुम्हारे ये जूते भी।
ओके, तो सब कुछ लोन लेके खरीदा है। अब वापस करने में थोड़ी देर तो हो ही जाती है ना। सो घर से तो नहीं निकाल देंगे। They can't do that.
Well, it seems they can do that. So, I mean, Babaji is very Jnani. Okay. And we just saw he took a home loan that didn't really work out for him. So, what about this theory about home loans being good?
No, again, it's I think the discipline part plays over there as well.
So the idea is to not to leverage too much. So you should be able to have a backup plan in case your primary income source fades away.
You need to understand how much you earn, and accordingly you have to,
Don't overextend yourself.
Don't over, including in, so a good loan is good only till a certain extent, right? So we've really come up with this, what we call the Apna Paisa rules on the AAA test, okay? For a loan to be good, it should either add to your asset or add to your income, okay? So a home loan adds to assets, okay?
it also adds to your income.
A home loan, how does it add to your income?
You buy a house, put it on rent.
Okay, then it can add to your income, okay? If you give it out on rent, okay, right?
Yeah, it adds to your asset, it also adds to your income.
Right? And the second important part, and that's an and, it should be appropriate. Okay. So he bought a house which he could not afford. So just because he bought a house doesn't make the loan good. It needs to be appropriate as well. Can you think of a loan that adds to income other than rental income? Any other loan that adds to income?
Yeah, that way even car loan can add to your income.
How?
Put it on,
Rental cap.
yeah, lease, put it on lease and.
That's okay. That's a business.
Yeah,
That's a business. So that's a business loan.
Business
Okay.
if it is growing, that capital appreciation is really
In a car loan, how will it grow?
not in car loans, but
So even in a car, for example, in Bombay it's okay where public transport is good, okay. But otherwise, if you can't do now today I can't really travel by train, right? So for me a car is a must. It adds to my income, right? Because otherwise I won't be able to carry out my profession. It needs to be appropriate. So I don't need a red Ferrari. I mean, quite apart from the guru here who bought a red Ferrari and what was taken back was a grey Ferrari. Okay. So anyways, so education again, education loan adds to your income in the future. Again, it needs to be appropriate. Okay, if you're taking a loan for a Harvard course, if it costs you 1 crore and it adds to your income 10,000 rupees, then it's probably not appropriate. So both these things need to be satisfied. And I think again, this can completely eat into anything else that you do if you're not careful about your loans. So avoid loans for consumption. Okay. So I'm now going to scare you a bit. Okay. So how many of you can run your household as usual and invest for your child's education if your kidneys fail? Okay. What happens if your kidneys fail? What happens? You have to go on dialysis, right? And it's a costly affair. So one is the cost of treatment. What else happens?
you don't have time to earn money.
Sorry?
You don't have time to earn money.
You don't have time to earn. You might lose your job, right? Or suppose you are involved in this mashup. Again, same thing. You might have to go for a lot of treatment plus your loss of income. If your family member is hospitalized and the hospital bill runs into lakhs, or worse, I mean, as you walk out of the office, you die. So can your household run as usual? How many people's household can run as usual if they were to die today? Nobody's. Your household will run as usual if you die today.
My wife earns.
Okay.
I have a term insurance.
You have a term insurance policy. Okay. Enough term insurance policy that if you die, their expenditure can continue as what it is today.
At 75 lakhs, I think it should work.
Really? Okay. We should discuss that. Okay. Enough. You have enough.
Well, it's not my own, but I will be inheriting some property from my parents. So
This is good enough. This is good enough. Doesn't matter where the money comes from. Okay. So I think one of the big things, so if your kidneys fail and you lose your job, okay, do you have insurance? Does anybody in the room have insurance if your kidneys fail? And thank God you survived. Okay, and presumably the office pays for the treatment. Your office has a health insurance policy? It does, right? So the office will pay for the dialysis, office will pay for everything for some time. But you lose your job, or you get job at a lower price, a lower salary. Okay, do you have insurance to cover for the loss in salary? Yeah, is that kind of insurance available?
In India, I don't
No, not available. Of course it is available. It's called critical illness. Okay, people confuse critical illness with regular mediclaim policies. Critical illness needs to be taken for large values.
critical illness which renders you permanent disability.
Yes, critical illness, you get accidental disability for similar disability arising from accidents. You get critical illness for 50 lakhs, 1 crore. It is expensive. Okay. So, will you take it? No, मेरी किडनी थोड़ी फेल होने वाली है, वो तो दूसरों की होती है, मेरी तो होती ही नहीं है, वो तो हमेशा दूसरों की होती है, मेरा तो एक्सीडेंट होता ही नहीं है, करेक्ट. एक्सीडेंट तो दूसरों का ही होता है, वो लोग तो लिखवा के लाए हैं, मैं तो भगवान से पर्चा लिखा के लाया हूं, मेरे तो कुछ नहीं होने हैं. करेक्ट, राइट. So if your office has health insurance, okay, do you need health insurance separately? Do you need health insurance separately?
Yes.
Why? Office already has.
To maintain the continuity, I have taken a separate one, and the intention was just because in this private job we keep on fluctuating, and
The office has a different policy, so it doesn't give you the entire money. So office need to have that.
When you
You
quit
cannot cover
this,
everything comprehensively.
you cannot cover
Plus,
comprehensive.
the company in which the office is connected is private company, and so we don't trust 100% these private companies.
Okay.
So we must have one more insurance.
Okay. Okay. So there can be various reasons. I think health insurance is so Mediclaim, which pays for hospital expenditure, is so valuable, and your history on it is so valuable. Okay, that this you should have on your own. Okay, that leaves you free to change jobs, to start off on your own. Okay, and since we are running out of time, we are not going to talk about what factors you should look at. I would have liked to talk about the issues with the public sector insurance companies. We can separately talk. I would much rather go for private sector companies than the public sector companies, simply because of one single nothing. I am not talking about claim histories. I am talking about a specific clause in their agreement which limits your claims to 1%. The room rent sublimit is the most dangerous clause in every public sector company's policies. Okay. In fact, one of the best policies going around are these nationalized banks tie-up policies that they have. Okay, where it is much different. The terms are very, very different. So those are things that you just need to be a account holder in those banks to be eligible to buy those policies. And term insurance, I think, is an absolute must. Okay, for most people, unless you have enough wealth already, that even if you die, it does not matter. Okay, the saving is already been made. If that is true, you may not need, but most people need term insurance, and the best term insurance is available only online. The cost is very, very low, and as long as you disclose everything while buying, fill the forms yourself. Any health insurance, critical illness, life insurance, if you don't fill the form yourself, okay, there is no point in getting an insurance policy if you have lied in the proposal form. मुझे डायबिटीज है, बताया नहीं, ठीक है, पॉलिसी तो मिल गई. अरे पॉलिसी के लिए तो पैसा दिया आपने, कागज का टुकड़ा है वो. जब आप बीमार होंगे उस समय अगर आपको क्लेम नहीं मिला तो वो पॉलिसी का फायदा क्या है? Right? It is better to have a policy with a higher cost, or even at worst not to have that policy than to pay a premium and not get a claim. It's stupid, right? You are happy you got a term insurance, when you die your family doesn't get the claim. What more stupidity can be there? People don't disclose their blood pressure. क्यों? नहीं तो प्रीमियम ज्यादा लगेगा. मरने के समय भी पैसा बचा है. जो चीज को रिस्क कवर करना है उसको भी कवर नहीं कर रहा है. प्रीमियम थोड़ा सा ज्यादा लगेगा, लेकिन एक बार डिस्क्लोज कर दिया तो द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी देन कैन नॉट डिनाई द क्लेम टू योर फैमिली. So I mean, this, and agents are the biggest, unfortunately, culprits. Okay, so we are not agents, and if you go online, you have to fill the form yourself. Take some time out and fill. Buying insurance is a serious matter. Treat it seriously. Because if any of those events happen, and they happen to people like you and me, it doesn't happen to other people. Okay.